Unlocking the secrets of day trading Ethereum, what experts won't tell you. Is day trading Ethereum your ticket to financial freedom? Today's video peels back the layers of this enticing opportunity, breaking down the myths and facts. Remember to hit subscribe for more enlightening content. We're diving into the world of Ethereum day trading, revealing insights the experts often keep under wraps. Join us as we explore the unspoken truths and what it truly takes to succeed. The allure of fast profits has many turning their gaze towards Ethereum day trading. Today, we unveil the top 5 advantages of this high-stakes game, from flexibility to high liquidity. However, it's not all sunshine in the realm of Ethereum day trading. We're reflecting on the 5 hidden risks, from the emotional toll to potential financial losses, offering a balanced perspective. Ethereum's volatility is a double-edged sword for day traders. In today's discussion, we uncover how this fact can lead to significant gains or losses, highlighting the importance of strategy and caution. The volatility of Ethereum presents a unique challenge and opportunity for day traders. Its price can swing dramatically in a short period, offering the chance for high profits but also significant losses. Market news plays a pivotal role in the fluctuation of Ethereum prices. Traders who stay informed can anticipate trends and make trades that outpace the market, securing profits in the process. Ethereum's liquidity is a double-edged sword. While it allows traders to enter and exit positions easily, the same liquidity can lead to market saturation, making it harder to find profitable trades. The learning curve in mastering Ethereum day trading is steep. Success requires not just understanding the market, but also developing a keen intuition for its ebbs and flows over time. Trading platforms and tools significantly impact the success of day traders. Choosing the right platform can provide a competitive edge, offering real-time data and analytics to inform smarter trading decisions. Successful traders understand that managing risk is paramount in Ethereum day trading. By setting stop-loss orders and determining acceptable loss levels, they safeguard their capital against market volatility. This discipline is crucial for longevity in the trading world. The trading community plays an essential role in a trader's journey. Sharing insights and learning from others' experiences can provide a competitive edge. This camaraderie among traders fosters a rich environment for growth and strategy refinement. Tax implications can catch many day traders off guard. Understanding the tax laws related to cryptocurrency trading is vital. It ensures compliance and helps in planning trades more efficiently, avoiding unnecessary legal complications. Psychological resilience separates the successful traders from the rest. The ability to maintain composure and stick to a trading plan, despite losses, is a trait that needs nurturing. This mental toughness is often the key to recovery and consistent success. Evaluating whether Ethereum day trading is suitable involves understanding its risks and rewards. A comprehensive analysis of one's financial goals, risk tolerance, and commitment to learning can help in making this decision. It's not for everyone, but for some, it represents a thrilling opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Expert tips for navigating the volatile waters of Ethereum day trading stress the importance of a disciplined approach. Staying informed about market trends and setting clear risk management strategies are crucial. Real-life case studies of successes and failures in Ethereum day trading offer valuable lessons. They underscore the necessity of learning from mistakes and the importance of adaptability and strategy. The future outlook of Ethereum day trading is shrouded in both opportunity and uncertainty. Market analysts predict continued volatility, suggesting a need for traders to stay agile and informed. Your action plan to kickstart your Ethereum day trading journey should begin with thorough research and education. Understanding the basics of the market and practicing with a demo account can build a solid foundation. Embracing the truth about Ethereum day trading requires acknowledging its risks and opportunities. Subscribing for more insights can help traders stay ahead, making informed decisions in their trading endeavors.